If you're looking for a home with all the upgrades in a 55 plus community, this one's got it. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today we're going to be touring 217 Fairlake Cir in St. Augustine, Florida. Beginning with the exterior, you can see all of the paver work that has been done around the home and in the front yard, giving it lots of curb appeal. Now as we enter the home, you're going to see trim work here in the hall to the left. We're going to be entering the kitchen. This kitchen features a gourmet style layout with custom backsplash, a designer vent, the microwave oven combo. Here in the laundry room, there's cabinetry, you have a sink, and then the washer and dryer. Now Summer Bay, where the home is located, is a natural gas community, so you do have the option of having a gas dryer. The cooktop here, this is a 5-burner cooktop, will have natural gas as well. There's a nice size island here with a breakfast bar, quartz countertops. You can see that there's been upgraded lighting throughout the home. Now we're making our way over to bedroom 2. Now this bedroom has custom shelving in the closet. We're gonna find custom shelving throughout all of the closets in the home. The walls and trim have been painted. You can see the cornice and solar window shade. A ceiling fan has also been installed. Making our way over to bathroom 2. This bathroom has been completely remodeled with custom shower with a seat, high capacity exhaust ceiling fan, custom lighting and wall treatment. You can see the walk-in shower here. This bathroom also features quartz countertops. Heading over to bedroom 3, this room is being used as an office. Does feature a closet, window treatments, and LVP flooring. You're gonna have LVP flooring throughout the home. There's no carpet in this home. Making our way over to the cafe, there is accent trim with a sconce light on the wall. And then we have the gathering room or living room with 3 transom windows, window treatments, a nice view there, which we'll see momentarily. We're entering the primary bedroom, LVP flooring with the crown molding, window treatments. There's a fan in here as well. Now here in the primary bedroom, it's also been painted. Heading into the primary bathroom, you can see there's a closet and linen closet there. Double vanity sink with custom lighting, a walk-in shower with the frameless shower glass, a seat and a transom window, quartz countertops, and then the water closet there. Lots of upgrades throughout the home. Now this home does feature 9-foot ceilings and the upgraded 8-foot interior doors. Here's the covered lanai. You can see it's screened in. Take a look at this view. You have view to trees and then water on both sides of the property. So you can just take in the views here. If you'd like to know more, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect and also schedule a private showing for you.